Evan.
What are you doing? Here's Anna.
Hi.
Here's Isaac. Do you guys want to show off your basketball skills? Alright, let's get a ball. There's Anna dribbling. There's Isaac dribbling too. Nice shot, Anna Grace. Good shot, Isaac.
I didn't make it.
Well, that's okay. There you go. Nice job, Bob. Anna, you've made 3 in a row.
I'm going to make 3 in a row. I'm going to make 2 in a row. I'm going to make 2 in a row.
Awesome, Possum. Yes! Nice shot, dude. Oh, Evan, are you ready to play baseball? Aren't you? Hello, Evan. Nice job. Oh, no screams, please. What are you going to do today, Isaac? Anything fun? Anna, you're on fire.
I did 4 in a row.
I know, you're amazing. Hello. Hello, Evan. Uh-oh. Oh, bonk. Hey, basketball player. How's the basketball star?
Good. Daddy, I have this shirt that my Polly has on.
Amazing.
She has this shirt.
Alright. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Evan.
Evan, say bye.